Whoop, 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 whoop. What did you see?
Where's the handbrake?
Hello, Stitch. Oh, that's your boyfriend.
Ah, my co-driver.
He's not wearing any clothes.
You like him that way.
Wow, is he now wearing Mazda shirts? Oh, MS5 shirt.
You. Join the
You,
club already.
you,
Ah,
you,
join the club
you, you.
Nugget set ah.
already.
Ming, why you always ponytail now? Ah?
Because I always driving drop top.
So your hair won't fly.
Ah.
Today, Sepang is ours. So we'll be here for about 6 hours, and they've opened up the pits for us. We'll be using a few, and yeah, interesting stuff going on. Woohoo! Can't wait to start the day. A lot of work, but none that we couldn't manage. Yep. Cheers. Beautiful. Hello. It's a fantastic day we have here. Can you roughly guess what we're trying to do? So today, Evo is gonna have fun. A lot of fun. We have the whole track to ourselves. Love it, love it. Let you see a little bit of stuff. This dampens the vibrations. Hi, brother Con.
Hi.
Why these two wagons are here? Not to go on the track, but as we know, when we come here, it's not an event or whatever, there are no seats. So pop them up. They are makeshift chairs. We have a cannon here. That's why they are called cannons, because they are actual cannons. Wow! Oh! Okay, guess what's happening? Now the whole Evo team is out on Sepang.
Hi guys.
Oh yeah, hello.
Hello.
There's Con, myself.
Hi. So this will be interesting because this video on my channel will appear on this camera and on your channel will appear on this one.
Yes. And that's Bing at the back. Don't get to see her. She's behind. Okay.
So now we are approaching Sepang Turn 1.
Okay, Bing, you can actually drive tandem to us. Con, you can also overtake the Beamer if you want to, next to the Volvo.
Okay.
Yeah. Careful.
Okay.
Fan do not know the line, so she might come into you. You can.
I wouldn't want Fan to come into me.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we are overtaking the BMW now.
Oh,
She's okay.
Alright.
this is going to be quite a formation, man. 2 wagons leading 2 drop tops.
Yes. Beautiful.
So yeah, this is we're having a day out. The Evo Malaysia team is having a day out on Sepang track, but of course we are not doing it at breakneck speed. We are doing it at a very relaxed pace. Yeah,
Yep. Just having fun.
just having fun.
My first time.
Yeah, your virgin， 你的第一次给了我，
我
你
第一次给了 cat。
给了我老婆。OK， 你跟在他后面，跟着他的 line 来 ，Hello 。你拍個照留念一下先。阿 Fan 落 track， 話晒嗱話晒喺這行做咗咁多年嘛，嗬，落 track 係應該嘅。This is our kind of day out. Yeah, that's part of the shoot we were doing. GT3RS, Tesla Model S, BMW i8, Nissan GTR, AMG GTS, and our own crew cars. Yeah, of course, some help from friends.
Come on. Okay, turn. Full up. Yes, come towards me. Correct. Straighten. Go front a bit. Hold. Hold first. Okay, I think it's fine. Volvo.
Volvo!
I think Volvo don't have walkie.
Okay. I give you a talkie. Alright. Up to you. 你開 talkie 啊？啊。There's our other team members here. Yay! I think the Volvo will handle better here than the Tesla. The Tesla is damn heavy, right? Freaking heavy. Oh, I can feel the weight, but it's damn fast. Yeah, very nice. And, can we see the Audi behind? Yeah. It's the first time my S4 is on the track. Yeah, and it's with the NSX in front of me, Fairuz Fauzi driving. How often you get chased by a Jeep Wrangler in the Tesla around Sepang? So yeah, a Jeep Wrangler is chasing me from behind while I'm in the Tesla, and there's a Jeep Wrangler behind me. That is epic. So that's our job. Bye, Bing. Drive safe. Bye bye. Drive safe, huh? Text me when you're home.